Good morning, good morning, good morning, and welcome to my channel. For all those that don't know me, my name is Laura. Give me thumbs up. We're gonna work out another week. So, thank you for watching and taking the time to work with me. Today we were using this. I only purchased one pack from my local beauty store because I wanted to see could I do a full head with it. It says one pack solution. So we're gonna try to work it out. And I bought a wig cap. So we're gonna place that on a wig cap to see how that comes out. And both of these I bought from my local beauty store. This is the wig cap. Okay, so on the back. So you have it like this. But as you see, because I have straight hair, I was looking to see about putting something around the edges. However, you see there's nothing there. But if you flip it inside out and put it on that way, then you got a couple little, let me see, just split open. Now I got a couple little edges that I can probably work with. Let me see. Yeah. If you turn the cap inside out, see the edges? Work with some of those to bring hair down instead of having it this way and then I can't work with nothing. So I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna flip it inside out. So here we go. This is the back. See the little extra notch right there? Yeah, so that goes in the back. Let me turn my mannequin around to the front. I was using the red as the front. So make sure you get that straightened out. Yes, yes, yes. All right now. This 5 times Easy Text Pre-Stretch 1-Pack Solution by Janet Collection. Pre-stretched and feathered to save you time. Here's what the hair looks like. The color is 1B Burgundy. I liked the color on the end, so I'm gonna work this out. Took off 2 pieces. Let's see how that works. Just a little bit. So this is the back. I'm gonna start in the back first. All right. I like the curl, so I really don't want to separate it. I want to put it on just like this because I want the curl to stay. So I'm not going to start all the way at the nape either. So I'm going to start like right up here in the middle. And I'm going to grab 2 holds. Yeah, let me do 2 holds. I only looped it once. I'm going to show you how I did it. Yeah, if I use 1 pack, oh goodness. I might have to, if I don't separate it, I'll probably separate up in the front. Let me show you. I'm putting the crochet in and I only use 1 loop. Don't look like it's unraveling. I pulled it tight. Go here. 2 holes. Come under. And I notice when I go like this and bring it through, the knot seems to stay better. See, I pull it And I just push it down. There it is. That one I tighten real tight. So let me get busy on this because this shouldn't take too long. I might have to run back to the store and get the other pack. I started to buy 2 packs. But I was like, the cap I was looking for, they didn't have. So I didn't want to buy 2 packs and it didn't have the cap I wanted. So that's why I didn't buy 2 packs. It wasn't that expensive. They was $13.99. Well, I'm going to say $14 because anything over 50 cents is $1. So it was $14 a pack. I don't wear long hair at all. But I like this burgundy. So I wanted to try it. And my husband and I are supposed to be, well, not supposed to be, but we are going out on Wednesday. So I wanted to wear some long hair. As you see, my hair is crocheted in, but I'm taking it out. I just haven't taken it out just yet. But I will. So before I take it out, I was trying to think, well, do I want to do a wig? Because one thing about a wig is that you can do the hair and you can take it off at night. I ain't got to sleep in it. If I had to sleep in it, this long hair wouldn't work out. So we're going to try this. And I like this burgundy. I'm sitting up here messing up the strings. Next time I got to hold it the right way. So I'm messing it up already. I laid it down with my scissors. Where my dainty little scissors? Yes, I just tried to pull the hair apart, but it's definitely a hot mess when you pull it apart. So I'm going to try spraying some of this braid sheen on it. I'm glad I only bought 1 pack. This thing is loop-de-loop, frizzy. I had to split it because you only get 10 strands, 10 thick strands like this one per pack. So I'm splitting it into 2. Take the 1 strand and try to make 2 of them out. Well, I'm going to make 2 out of it because that's 50 going around with the 5 packs, and definitely trying to split it on the 50 strands in here, it won't happen. It'll be too thin. Yes, gotta lubricate it down because this synthetic hair. This braid sheen works. Now this is a piece of the hair that I hadn't sprayed just yet. And when you try to separate it, it's just real frizzy. So let me spray it a little bit. Try to bring some of the curl back to life. I told you that 10 strands comes on 1 little pack. So what I did was took and split each strand so I can get some more hair out of it because I don't plan on buying another pack of this. This one has got to work. So space them out, see how it works. I actually was on, I had bought some straight hair, this color, and I was gonna curl it myself. But when I saw this, I was like, you know what? Let me just try this right here. But look here. It's very shady. Look at it. See, remember I told you I flipped the cap inside out, so you see these little notches. So when I get down, when I get closer to finishing, I will go on top of the notches. Maybe I should do that now. Add some little hairs. Means I gotta split it some more. Yes, trash. But we're gonna make it work. What I do is twist it, tighten it up. I'm finishing up the third little pack that came in here. So this is the third pack. I got 2 more little packs left that we need to make work. So on camera, it looks like it's spaced out a lot, but you'll know when you put it on, it'll be filled in because your hair is black underneath, so all that will be hidden. Now I'm thinning them out because I'm getting closer to the top, around the sides. As I close them up, I try to do it like a twist method. If that's what you see my hands doing. I'll go around 1, 2, turn, 3, come on down, and I'm twisting, and I'm pulling, and it's tightening up right there at the root. Just looking to see which way I want it to fall. Oh, I guess it doesn't matter. Let's get this stuff in here. There it is. So I just did that. Fill the little gaps in. What I did was take some hair from one of these and separate it the correct way. And I'm gonna go through the hole next to it, and I'm gonna grab the hair. Mind you, I got the hair off that's already crocheted in. I'm gonna grab it. I'm gonna lock it right there, cover up the space. So that's how I'm gonna do another one so you can see. Get one that's further down, so point it to the camera. Good one. Take a piece of hair, come right here for this hole. Come here, lock that in. Cover up. Again, I'm gonna show you. Here, come here, grab here from here. Lock it there. And start filling in some of the gaps in between. So that's what I'm gonna do. Not right now, but once I get it all in, I'll flip and then go in. We're going to spray it down real good with this braid sheen, because the braid sheen for synthetic hair makes the hair feel soft. Did you call a family member today and tell them that you love them? Always reach out to your family members. Especially those who have senior citizens, a lot of senior citizens. It's 2020. We had a lot of deaths in 2020. 2020 just got here. They're here today, gone tomorrow. Reach out to someone, tell them you love them. I liked the color. I wanted to try it. I definitely like the curls. I know this hair is going to have a lot of shedding. And that's why I wanted to do it as a wig form and not a crochet style. Because I hate to put this in my hair and then turn around and take it out. Because it became just a bit too much. My bag, I was out of camera when I turned it around. I turned it back around the other way. turned out to be a nice day today for it to be the 1st of February. And watch out for that ozone layer. Pretty soon we'll have summer all year. And Florida will have winter all year. How about that? Folks who run into Florida, they're going to be running to the East Coast. We'll do the rest of these going towards the back because I want it to fall towards the back. I don't want it to fall all up in the front. I think I'm gonna cut the next ones in half to give me that full front. Onto like bang. And I'm just gonna keep doing it all to the back like this. So it's gonna fly to the back. You see me sliding the net down. I want it to position itself backwards. I want the hair to position itself backwards. Yes, now it's just sliding off too much. I have one more strand left that I can get maybe 6 more out of, but I'm gonna hold on to that till once I put it on, so that I have some hair for some fillers, so I can see where I need a filler at. That's gonna be the there you have it. I have one strand left, and I'm gonna save that for when I put it on. This way I have, if I need some filler. Otherwise than that, there's one. I'm gonna put a band on this, and there we have it. I'm gonna bring some hair down the front. You'll see once I put it on. I'll make sure I insert some pictures. So here we have it. It's like even when you put it on. Yeah, I think it's gonna be good. I think there we have it, ladies. Try not to make it so long, but can't help that when you're doing crochet wig, it's gonna be long. There we have it. All right. Thank you. More to come. And thank you for watching my channel and hit that like button for me. Like and subscribe. Pass it on. Thank you. Help me build my followers. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.